There you go, Jay. That's what we talked about. That was perfect. That was a perfect uppercut, Jay, on that hook to the body. That's perfect. Get busy. Get busy. A little more busy. You're waiting too long. There you go. Let him go. There you go. Let him go. There you go, Jay. Watch, get in the range now. There you go. Use a jab or something. Don't just walk in there.